Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokerau, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I grew up here on the family farm. This is my brother, John Boy. My dad, Frank. And my mum, Kim. Woo! Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean! Hoake tātou.
And today, I try surfing for the first time.
Ah!
Ooh, what do you call that?
I write my very own rap.
Check it out, my cousins.
There is a boat race at the awa, and I'm on a mission to feed the farm.
Kia ora, my cousins. You gave me a fright. I thought someone was watching me. Hey, kei te paia haui nai, eh? I'm all good. Oh, cousins, let me show you what I'm working on. Oh! Kia ora, Mrs. Pūngā Were Were.
Kia ora.
Hang on, did you just speak?
Yep. Kia ora.
Whoa, I'm speaking spider. Hey, I'm speaking spider!
No, I'm speaking human.
Oh, that's amazing. Hey, toa tāhua hoki, you're beautiful.
Hey, just pick an eyebrow.
Oh, you have so many karu. I'm gonna pick number 7. So, what are you doing here, Mrs. Pūngā Were Were?
I live here.
Hey, I live here too. Have you met my dad before?
Let me think. Is he the one with the newspaper and the cup of tea?
Hi, that's him.
Yeah, he's a crack up.
Yeah. So, you must be pretty good at using the internet, eh? Because it's the World Wide Web. Anyway, what's your name?
Ko Pai Tukutuku tōku ingoa. You can call me Tukutuku for short. Mother of many tamariki and fastest pūngā were were in te hiku o te ika a Māui. Ko wai koe?
I'm Buzz. Middle name The. Last name Cuz. I love adventures. I love music.
Oh, yes. I love music too. Do you have any originals?
Originals? I am original.
We in the naughty no, ready, set, go forth. The place that I live in is on, fishing off the wall, fish and chips with sauce. I can show you something you ain't never seen before. Fantastic, little bit of far north magic, old school vibes like it's a new fashion. My dad said, Buzz, do it with a passion. So I opened up the book and got straight to practice. Damn, this is so amazing. I could tell a million stories. It's so beautiful that I could paint a canvas. Tie all green, tie all clean, tie all mean. And this is for one another that I say ko taitanga. Let me do another backflip. Land of dreams, protected for our moko and our tomari kids. All for you, this is what we came to do. You can find it in the groove. You can find it in the tune. So true. Kaitia kitanga views. Kia kaha kia u. All my cousins there too. From the manga to the awa, I'll be giving color so I feel I can enjoy the love of one and other. Don't let it suffer. That's why we need kotaitonga, so we can be united and believe in each other. If you didn't catch that, I'ma give you a hint. Look after each other and we'll all feel mint. It's good to receive, but it's better to give. If you see what I see, then you know what it is. Now, hold on, take a sec. Ready, get set. Let me tell you something you don't wanna forget. There always something that we need to protect. I'm on another mission and the mission's in full effect. Now let me break it down, let me take it down low. And let me take it real slow. And let me talk to my bros. And let me tell you how it goes. It's all for you, this is what we came to do. You can find it in the groove, you can find it in the tune. So true, Katia Kitanga views, Kia Kahakya, all my cousins there too.
Not bad at all, Buzz the Cuz. I like the part about whānau.
Oh, tēnā koe tuku tuku. Yeah, they're my favourite people in the whole wide world.
Well, I better be off. Plenty of mouths to feed. Bye, Buzz the Cuz.
Oh, ka kite anō. Oh, I wish I was a spider. I could be a superhero. I could be Spider-Cuz. Now to keep building my teleportation device. Conditions are perfect. Little bit of wind. Tide is coming in. Tamanui Te Rā is smiling at us. Oh, a cow on the beach. Hey, a cow on the beach. Oh no, that's a stick. Where was her? Oh, kia ora my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz. E te tātahi anō. Tokerau Beach, Ngāti Kahu Etu. Hey, check out my boogie board. I've had this boogie board since I was 3 years old. I call it the Dolphin Rider. It was going to be Whale Rider, but that one was already taken. My favourite part is it goes really fast when I catch waves. It's just a little demonstration of what my board can do. Anyway, I'm just waiting for my brother John Boy to get here so he can watch me while I'm in the moana. It's really important to have someone close by when you're swimming. Do you hear that? What the?
Sorry I'm late, Buzz. Got stuck playing checkers with Mum.
Kei te pai, did you win?
Don't really want to talk about it.
Oh, fair enough. Hey, check out your awesome board. Oh, does that mean you're going to catch some ngaru too?
Not today, Buzz. I actually brought this for you.
Hey, do I get to keep it?
Hey, I thought it was time for you to upgrade from that Dolphin Rider of yours.
Thank you so much. Tēnā koe, my bro. JT to my cousins. Look at my new board. Oh, it's ginormous. I'm going to be able to catch the biggest waves ever in the whole world. Next minute, I'm off to the Olympics. All right, ready to go. Hang on a second. I didn't even know how to reti ngaru on one of these.
Hey, you don't know how to surf?
Nah, I've only just had the Dolphin Rider.
Hurry up then, I'll teach you the basics.
Reko!
All right, Buzz, you ready for your surf lesson?
Yep,
Before you get in the water, what's the first thing you should check?
check the conditions.
Amazing. And what are the conditions?
The wind is heading out to the moana. It's half tide coming in. There's a few waves, but it's not too rough. And I can't see any rip currents.
Oh, excellent. And how do you tell if there's a rip current?
Well, you can tell there's a rip current if there's calm patches in the water with waves either side, or if there's ripple patterns on the sand. That can also mean there's a rip current as well.
Yeah, sounds like you wrote the script yourself. All right, Buzz, time to practice your paddling. Lay down on your pretend board.
Yes, sir!
Show me what you got.
How'd I do?
To be honest, Buzz, not good.
Oh.
That's okay. I'll show you how to do it properly. What you want to do is raise your chest A little bit off the board. Great. Now what you want to do is cup your hands so you can grip the water and pull through the water. Now all I want you to do is put your hands on the board and then pop your body up so you're standing like this. Like this? Phew, you're a natural. Let's do it a few more times just to see it wasn't a fluke.
Paddle. Pump. Down. Paddle. Pump. Down. Paddle. Pump.
I think you're ready.
Yeah. I'm going to master all the moves and then that's me. I'm off to the Olympics. Hey, I just thought of a cool joke.
Go on then.
What does the beach dress up as for Christmas?
Who?
Santa Claus. Man, I'm good.
Come on, let's see how good you really are. Let's try out your new board, eh?
Okay, let's do it. Thanks for having my back, John boy.
Just be careful, you egg.
Muri rangaranga ki te uru, haurangaranga ki te tonga. Ka puta te hauranga whenua, tapa uru ana, te kakau, ko ai koe, ko moko pū tangaroa. Hui e, tae ki e.
Mauri ora. Wairua is on, Tangaroa is on. Let's do it. Ka rawe. Now all I have to do is wait for a wharinga, a curling wave.
Ooh, what do you call that?
Ah, I almost nailed it. Let's go again. Here I go.
Oh, not bad. Remember your training, Buzz?
Go, Buzz, go!
Way to go!
Woo!
And he's up! And he's down.
I've done it! I've surfing!
Oh, yes, he did it!
Woo-hoo! Oh! Ah! Did you see me, John boy? I was like, and then the wave was like, ah! And then I remember what you told me, so I was like, hoo, 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 and then I was surfing!
Not bad, little brother. How did you like the new board?
Oh, I love it. I'm gonna call it the Mickey Icky.
Flash. Come on then, let's go get a feed. Ka kite tangaro.
Ah, tēnā koe tangaroa.
Next time I'll teach you a move called the Dragon Claw.
I know a dragon.
Hey?
Nah, but imagine if I did, I'd introduce you. Ah, kia ora my cuzzies, and welcome to BTC Cribs. Let me show you around. I've got a place to hang my towel, a place to sit, and here is my tēneti, my tent. Whai mai, let me show you inside. Ah, check that out, Exhibit B, my moinga. Oh, I've got a lovely single bed. Luxurious, very luxurious. Over this side, my peke, some spare rope. I have my binoculars. And this shelf is where I keep all my books. I've got heaps of different books. 100 Small Ways to Change the World. And this book here, I saw a dog with 3 eyes. I wrote that one myself. Moving on. This is my rātana, my lantern. I use this to help read my books at night. Whee! Well, This has been an amazing BTC Crips, my cuzzies. I'll see you again next time. I think it's time for a little bit of a rest. Wa whakata. Hang on a second. Whakarongo. Can you hear that? That sounds like an awa. Come on, my cousins, let's go check it out. I was right. It is an awa. Check it out, my cousins. This awa is beautiful. Woo. I just had an idea. I'm going to make 2 waka and race them down the awa to see which one is fastest. Buzz, you're a genius. I'm sure we're going to be able to make 2 really fast waka out of all of these materials. Check it out! I've got some sticks, I've got some bark, and I've got some leaves. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Oh, I need something to tie them together. I think I have some string in my peke. I was right! Buzz, you've done it again. Hey, I just thought of a poem in my head. Roses are red, John Boy's my brother. Let's build a boat. No, let's build a waka. Buzz, you're on. Check this out, my cousins. We're doing really well with building this boat. So what we got to do is tie all of these sticks together so it creates the bottom of our waka. Got to make sure that our waka is tied together real tight. All right, that's 1 waka done. Now let's make our second one. Oh, I think this one will float really good. There. The leaf is gonna be our sail. Check it out, my cousins. These are my 2 waka. This one's called Tohoraha, and this one's called the leaf. This is gonna be epic! Whai mai, let's go to the starting line. Perfect! For my waka to win the race, they're gonna have to head down this part of the awa, tahua, into the dreaded still pond of doom, scary, and over the rapids, then across the finish line. We're almost ready, my cousins. One more thing to remember is when you're playing by water, make sure that you have an adult with you. Hang on a second, I'm an adult. All right, the race is about to begin. Which waka is gonna be fastest? Tohoraha or the leaf? Let's find out. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, karawhiua. Oh, the water's starting to pick up. Go Tohoraha, go leaf. Oh no! The waka made it to the dreaded still pond of doom. Oh, they're not moving anywhere at the moment. All this racing is really tiring too. Maybe it's a good chance to have a rest. It's so beautiful here. It's a perfect spot to spend some time with Tāne Mahuta. Wait, can you hear that? Hey, where's Tohoraha and Leaf? The race is still on! They're neck and neck going into the rapids, my cousins. Which one will cross the finish line first? Come on! Almost there! You're almost there! Keep going! Go! You can do it! Go! Hurrah! The winner is Leaf! Whee! That was amazing! Oh, I'm gonna bring my whole whānau next time, and then we can go camping, and then we can make waka, and then we can have even more epic races down the awa. Oh, I love my life. Hey, I just saw an ika. I gotta go. Hey, wait for me, little fishy. Wanna be friends? Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, on the tractor. I'm just off to do my morning chores and feed all the kararehe. The animals. Whai mai, come and meet my friends. Perfect. Oh. This is what the cows are having for parakuihi. Come on. Haramai. Haramai. Tēnā koutou. Kia ora, my mates. Check them out. This one here is called Stewie. Stewie is the biggest cow out of them all. They like karaihe, hay, kamenga, and scratches. Check it out, my cousins. This is Minnie Moo. Look out how cute she is. Oh. Minnie Moo's the smallest cow out of them all. But even though Minnie Moo's the smallest, they still eat the most. Ooh. Something you don't know about Minnie Moo is she's also really good at maths. That's right, she's an accountant. Hey, Big Mac. Hey, Big Mac, come back over here. We've talked about this. You need to come and eat your parakuihi. It's the most important meal of the day. If you want to get big and strong like me, you're going to have to eat your parakuihi. Check this out. That's right, it's all parakuihi. There you go, there you go. Ah, kapai, my mates. That's all of your parakuihi. All right, time to go feed all of our other friends. Ka kite anō. Ah, te tiro, my cousins. These are our hoi-ho. Ko Poto tēnei, and this is her daughter, Paku. Oh, they're so much fun to play with, and they're really, really fast. E hia kai ana kourua. These hoi-ho love their kai. Here you go. Hey, what kind of a shoe do ponies wear? A hoof. Man, I've still got it. Hey, are you keen on a race? Yeah? All right, let's do it. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Te, rua, toru, cut off you are! Go, 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 go! 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 Hey, tino fast. All right, my cousins, time to feed the hippie. my friends Minty and Hinare. Yep, that's right, I can understand him. Minty says, Atamari e Buzz, and Henry, he's saying, oh, Henry wants some sandwiches. But Minty's saying, meh. I'm not sure what that means yet. All right, Henry, time for a kite. I don't have any sandwiches, but I have the next best thing, miraka. Whee! Minty's grown up enough to just eat grass now, but Hinare still loves miraka. Check it out, he's keen as. I love feeding my friends in the moorena. It's a great way to check in with them and make sure they're all right. Hey, does anyone have a joke? That's a good one. Hey, I've got one. What do you call a fast lamb? A Lamborghini. Still got it. What's that? Oh, I'm having a lovely day, thank you. Don't forget the... That's right. Oh my gosh, cuzzies, yous are not gonna believe this. You've got to come and see. Have a lovely day, hippie ma. Ka kite anō. So the other day, we had about 20 new friends born on the farm. Can you guess what they are? I'll give you a clue. They're fluffy, they have 2 legs, 2 wings, and they go cheep, cheep. That's right, they're chicks. Let me introduce you to them. Chicks, where did I put them? Hello. Cheep, 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 cheep. I can hear you! Come on, cuzzies! There you are! Atamari e pipi ma! Titiro, my cuzzies, these are my new friends! Let me introduce you to them all. So, that one's called Maya, Kaya, Hine, Hunu, Kev, Craig, Baza, Shaza, Gaza. That one's Tui, Toi, Pito, Putu. Oh, and that little one's name is Te Hei Hei Iti Rawa Atu e Ngākau Nui Ana ki te tipi haere Kiwiwi Kiwawa Te Tue Iwa. Oh, check it out, my cousins. This little one's name is Hunu. Hunu means rays of sunshine. Tēnā koe Hunu. Kia ora. Did you know that chicks can communicate with their mothers while they're still inside the egg? I wish I could communicate from inside an egg. Peep, peep. Oh, Huna is saying, remember to tell everyone that chickens are super, super smart. They can recognize up to 100 faces, including humans. Oh, you remember my face, don't you, Hunu? Kia ora. Hey, Hunu, I've got something to help you grow nice and strong. Anei tokai. Here's your food. Ooh. Ah, thank you so much for helping me to feed all my friends this morning, my cousins. Hey, I think it's time for some parakuihi myself. Ka kite anō. Hey. Hang on, I've got one. What do you call a chicken that plays jokes on people? Anyone? A practical yoker? Practical yoker?